British Prime Minister Boris Johnson tests positive for coronavirus. COVID-19, RBI asks lenders to allow 3-month moratorium on EMIs. COVID-19, Cabinet Secretary says gap in actual monitoring. Domestic, international flight ban extended, to restart from April 14th. Here's how China misled the world on coronavirus. Dhoni will get one last chance even if IPL is cancelled, childhood coach. Why it's not Wuhan or Chinese virus but SARS-CoV-2. Elderly, differently abled, widows to get 3 months pension in advance. This is not an ordinary war, Virat Kohli urges citizens to strictly follow lockdown. RBI reduces repo rate by 75 basis points to 4.4%. Spain coronavirus death toll hits 4,858 as 769 die in 24 hours. Heat may slow coronavirus but early summer unlikely. Coronavirus found in pangolin smuggled into China, study. How South Korea won the battle sans lockdown. In Iran, false belief a poison fights coronavirus kills hundreds. Rate of rise in positive cases relatively stabilizing, government. FY21 GDP growth may crash to 3-decade low on COVID-19. RBI announcements to safeguard economy from impact of COVID-19, PM. UK to use firefighters to deliver food, collect bodies in coronavirus crisis. Hostile cops hit food, pharma delivery business. Coronavirus, 7 more deaths take toll to 20, cases cross 700 in India. Sachin Tendulkar donates 50 rupees lakh to fight COVID-19. Swiggy ready for grocery services in 150 top cities. RBI's moratorium on EMIs ambiguous, half-hearted, Chidambaram. US has most coronavirus cases in world, next wave aimed at Louisiana. World's on the brink of running out of places to put oil. Beijing blocks UNSC meet on coronavirus. Coronavirus, South Korea pleads with residents to stay in isolation. COVID-19, Xi Jinping tells Trump China and US must unite to fight virus. COVID-19 lockdown indefinitely delays hearing on 3 important cases. Australia reef sees third coral bleaching in 5 years. Corona, let's focus on humans, not economic goals, says PM at G20. I know we will win the battle against coronavirus, Kapil Dev. COVID-19 lockdown indefinitely delays hearing on 3 important cases. Coronavirus could kill 81,000 in US, subside in June. Moody's slashes India GDP growth in 2020 to 2.5%. COVID-19, government mulls roping in medical students, retired doctors. Sitaraman announces 1.7 rupees lakh crore plan to contain COVID-19 impact. Working together with G20 countries on coronavirus, Trump. Sensex falls over 300 points, Nifty below 8,650. India proposes online platform for SAARC to jointly combat coronavirus. Athletes qualified for Tokyo Olympics 2020 will keep 2021 spots. Brazil's Maracanã Stadium tapped to serve as coronavirus hospital. IPL can wait, country needs to get over crisis first, Rohit Sharma. Coronavirus, center asks states to arrange food, shelter for migrants. Nadal calls on Spain's athletes to raise 11 M euros to fight coronavirus. US weekly jobless claims surge to record 3.28 million. Yes Bank Board approves fundraising of 5,000 rupees crore. Corona, stable trend in rate of increase, says government.